Well, sisimulan natin yung ating discussion in finding the distance between points. Well, on this particular video, we are going to discuss on how are we going to find the distance between the 2 points by plotting it in our plane coordinates. So, to do that, we are going to answer some problems. So, meron tayong problem dito in which we need to plot these 3 points here. We have point A, B, and C, and then we are going to determine the directed distances, no? Okay, so we have these plane coordinates here. So, una, i-plot muna natin itong ating mga points. We have point A, which is negative 2, 0. Okay, so it's on negative 2 and 0. And our point B is in 1 and 0. And our point C is in 5 and 0. So, lahat sila is nasa x-axis natin. So, ang required sa atin is to determine itong mga directed distances natin dito, no? So, let us write this down. So, unahin natin itong ating directed distance, A to B. Okay? So, we're going to move from A to B. So, it is going to the right, which means it is going in a positive direction. So, our sign will be positive. So, it moves 1, 2, 3. So, that means our answer will be positive 3. So, ganun lang yung pagkuha ng distances by plotting, no? Ipa-plot natin yung mga points and then bibilangin natin kung ilang units meron sa pagitan nila. So, let's see on the next one. We have point B going to A, no? So, from point B going to A. So, that means it will be like this. Going to the left. So, that means it's going to the negative direction. So, our answer here will be negative. So, it moves 1, 2, 3 going to the left. So, it will be negative. So, our answer will be negative 3. And then, para sa ating third example, we have from point A going to point C. So, from A going to C. Okay, so it moves to the right. Therefore, our sign will be positive. So, titingnan natin kung ilang units ang kanyang minove. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, there is 7 units between point A up to point C. So, therefore, our answer will be positive 7 dahil it's going to the positive direction. Now, the next one is from C to A. So, from here, from C going to A up to here. Okay, so let's do that. So, since it's going to the left, which is the negative direction, our sign will be negative. So, how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 7 units to the left. Therefore, our answer is negative 7. And now, we will determine the directed distance from point B to C. So, coming from B, going to C. So, it's going to the right side, which is the positive direction. So, therefore, our answer will be positive. So, let's count how many units. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 units going to the right. So, therefore, our answer is positive 4. And then, the next one is from C going to B. So, from here, going to B. So, it's going to the left side, which is the negative direction. So, our answer will be negative. So, how many units it moved? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 units to the left. Therefore, our answer is negative 4. So, ngayon nakita natin kung paano mag-determine ng directed distance by plotting our points and then bibilangin natin yung units in between the points. So, dito sa example natin, nakita natin how to count the distances when it is on the x-axis, no, or on the horizontal location. So, it will be the same even if it is arranged vertically. So, tingnan natin, no. We have another example here. We have 2 points. So, we have point A, which is in 2, 0, and point B, which is in 2, 4. So, ito ang ating point A, which is in 2, 0, and our point B, which is in 2, 2. So, we are going to determine the directed distances from A to B and B to A. So, umpisahan natin itong A to B. So, going from A to B. Okay? So, it's going upward. So, that means our sign will be positive, no? So, how many units it moved? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 units upward. So, therefore, our answer will be positive 4. And now, we have B to A. So, it's coming from B going to A. So it's going downward. So it is a negative direction. So therefore, our sign will be negative. No? So tignan natin kung ilang units. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 units downward. So it is a negative direction. Therefore, our answer is negative 4. Okay, so basically ganun lang ano, yung pagkuha ng directed distances between 2 points. Pero paano naman kung hindi siya horizontal or hindi siya vertical? So let's say we have these points. We have point A which is in 0, 0 and point B which is 2 and 2. So this is our plane coordinate. So we are going to plot point A which is 0, 0 and point B which is 2, 2. So ang hanapin natin is yung distance between these 2 points. So in this case, it is from A going to B. So yan ang ating direction, ano? From A to B. But we are not getting the directed distance here, no? We are getting the undirected distance. Kasi wala nga tayong arrow head dito sa taas. Okay, so paano natin makukuha yung distance na to? Okay, dahil kanina nakuha natin, binibilang natin yung units in horizontal and vertical. But this will be different. So, you can do this by using a ruler. Okay? So, dapat ang ruler natin is pareho ng units nitong ating X and Y axis. Okay? So, from here, makikita natin that coming from point A to B, okay, we have a distance of less than 3. So, hindi siya eksaktong 3, no? This is using a ruler. So, kung hindi maayos ang scaling ng ating ruler, hindi natin makukuha yung exact value ng kanilang distance. However, the correct answer here is 2.83, which is hindi natin makikita dito using this ruler. Okay? But there is a way in order to measure the distance between 2 points without using a ruler. So, yan ang pag-uusapan natin sa mga susunod pa nating mga lessons. But this is all for now, and I will see you on our next lesson.